Good morning and welcome to the DebtCircle Morning Brief. I am your host Vijendra, bringing you the latest updates from the fixed income, debt, and financial markets. Let's begin with the India government securities yield curve. The 1-year yield stands at 5.92%. The 3-year yield stands at 6.20%. The 5-year yield stands at 6.50%. The 7-year yield stands at 6.74%. The 9-year yield stands at 6.87%. The 10-year yield stands at 6.83%. The 15-year yield stands at 7.21%. The 30-year yield stands at 7.52%. Moving to the United States Treasury yield curve. The 1-year yield stands at 3.85%. The 3-year yield stands at 4.13%. The 5-year yield stands at 4.21%. The 7-year yield stands at 4.34%. The 10-year yield stands at 4.48%. The 30-year yield stands at 4.97%. Now let's look at the currency markets. The US dollar to Indian rupee exchange rate is 94 rupees and 62 paise compared to the previous level of 95 rupees and 21 paise. The euro to Indian rupee exchange rate is 109 rupees and 79 paise compared to 110 rupees and 13 paise previously. The British pound to Indian rupee exchange rate is 127 rupees and 18 paise compared to 127 rupees and 65 paise previously. The Japanese yen to Indian rupee exchange rate is 59 paise, unchanged from the previous level. The Chinese yuan to Indian rupee exchange rate is 14 rupees and 8 paise, unchanged from the previous level. Turning to commodities and market indices. Gold, 24 carat 99.9% purity, is trading at 15,153 rupees per 10 grams compared to 14,908 rupees previously. Silver is trading at 2,650 rupees per 10 grams compared to 2,600 rupees previously. Crude oil is trading at $83.31 per barrel compared to $87.40 previously. The Sensex closed at 76,675.25 compared to 75,527.95 previously. The Nifty closed at 23,950.95 compared to 23,622.90 previously. Now let's review the primary corporate bond issuances in India. Tata Capital Limited has issued bonds worth 2,030 crore rupees with a tenure of 37 months and a coupon rate of 8.15%. The issue is rated AAA by CRISIL Ratings Limited and ICRA Limited. Axis Finance Limited has issued bonds worth 800 crore rupees with a tenure of 32 months. The issue is rated AAA by CARE Ratings Limited and CRISIL Ratings Limited. HDB Financial Services Limited has issued bonds worth 1,550 crore rupees with multiple tranches ranging from 28 months to 37 months. The coupon range is 7.18% to 8.23%. The issue is rated AAA by CARE Ratings Limited and CRISIL Ratings Limited. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development has issued bonds worth 6,780 crore rupees with a tenure of 38 months and a coupon rate of 7.44%. Tata Capital Housing Finance Limited has issued bonds worth 1,125 crore rupees with a tenure of 61 months and a coupon rate of 8.15%. The issue is rated AAA by CRISIL Ratings Limited and ICRA Limited. Moving to the auction calendar. State development loans scheduled for auction on June 16, 2026 include 7.91% Punjab 2041 with an issue size of 1,000 crore rupees. Rajasthan State Development Loan 2035 with an issue size of 1,200 crore rupees. 7.87% Rajasthan 2041 with an issue size of 1,800 crore rupees. 7.81% Rajasthan 2049 with an issue size of 1,000 crore rupees. 7.54% Telangana 2033 with an issue size of 750 crore rupees. 7.70% Telangana 2037 with an issue size of 500 crore rupees. 7.82% Telangana 2047 with an issue size of 750 crore rupees. Union Territory State Development Loan 2035 with an issue size of 500 crore rupees. Andhra Pradesh State Development Loan 2032 with an issue size of 1,000 crore rupees. 7.79% Andhra Pradesh 2042 with an issue size of 1,800 crore rupees. 7.81% Andhra Pradesh 2056 with an issue size of 1,800 crore rupees. Assam State Development Loan 2036 with an issue size of 1,000 crore rupees. Gujarat State Development Loan 2034 with an issue size of 1,000 crore rupees. Gujarat State Development Loan 2038 with an issue size of 1,000 crore rupees. 7.81% Jammu and Kashmir 2051 with an issue size of 500 crore rupees. 7.55% Maharashtra 2034 with an issue size of 1,600 crore rupees. 7.77% Maharashtra 2044 with an issue size of 1,600 crore rupees. 7.79% Maharashtra 2054 with an issue size of 800 crore rupees. Punjab State Development Loan 2033 with an issue size of 1,000 crore rupees. 7.92% Punjab 2044 with an issue size of 1,000 crore rupees. Treasury bills scheduled for auction on June 17, 2026 include the 364-day Treasury bill with an issue size of 6,000 crore rupees, the 91-day Treasury bill with an issue size of 12,000 crore rupees, and the 182-day Treasury bill with an issue size of 6,000 crore rupees. Finally, here are the upcoming events to watch. The State Development Loan Auction on June 16, 2026. The Treasury Bills Auction on June 17, 2026. The ESG and Sustainability Strategy India Summit on June 24th and 25th, 2026. The Conclave on India's Gold 26. The Conclave on India's Gold Revolution, Monetization, Tokenization and Financial Transformation under the aegis of Bombay Chambers PE and VC Committee on June 25th, 2026. The International Conference on Banking Crises and Financial Stability on July 4th, 2026 in Chandigarh. The IVCA Private Credit Summit on July 9th, 2026. And the International Conference on Banking Crises and Financial Stability on July 4th, 2026 in Chandigarh, 26. And the International Conference on Mergers, Acquisitions and Corporate Restructuring on July 12th, 2026 in Kolkata. That concludes today's DebtCircle Morning Brief. Thank you for joining us. I am Vijendra. Stay informed, stay invested, and have a productive day ahead.